Bitcoin is finally moving here again to the upside, but the question is this a bull trap or is it an alleged move here to the upside? And we will go here continuously now to the upside. That is something that I want to talk about today. Hi, my name is Alex from AMCrypto, and let's get here straight into the charts. So here I'm on Bitcoin on the daily chart. And if you remember correctly, I had mentioned to you yesterday that if we want to get here a solid golden cross, and we will get this today, then the price has to significantly to increase it to the upside. And that is also exactly what happened today. We got here from all the way down from $44,667, a $2,000 move here to the upside right now. And if this candle closes today as it is, and the next candle continues to push it to the upside, and over tomorrow the same, then we have here a solid golden cross, because the 50 moving average will continue to trend like this to the upside, while the 200 will most likely go slightly up like this. As long as the price action will stay here above the 50, as long as that is the case, we will remain in higher prices for Bitcoin and might reclaim the $50,000 area. Just in case that is not happening and tomorrow's candle and after tomorrow's candle starts to trend here again to the downside, then the most likely scenario will be that we will get a fake out where the 50 rolls over like this, while the 200 goes more here in a straight line to the side. And then we should be prepared for much lower prices for Bitcoin. Then we could go here all the way back down to the $39,000 level. But I believe we will not get lower than 40,000, 39,000 in that kind of region. We will not see lower prices in Bitcoin anymore. So, but now is the question, how do we trade this? So if you want to trade this and you have maybe here on Twitter seen my W breakout pattern that I had seen earlier today, that I had sent here on Twitter. So if you would have traded the breakout, so you would now already be in nice profits, because the breakout would have been at 46,168. So let me go back here to Bitcoin. So let's see here. So you would be up already, take it from here, be up with leverage. If you would trade with 10x, you would be up 10%, with 20x leverage 20%, which is already a nice profit. So in that case, what I would do personally, I would set my stop loss round about here, just slightly under the 50 exponential moving average, because if the price now turns around, gets under the 50 moving average, then we can almost be certain that the price will continue to go here to the downside. So this stop loss should protect you, and that should be also roughly 1%. Yeah, so it's also more or less 1% to the downside. So, and if the price here continues to trade higher, don't forget, we still have here the technical target of that falling wedge that we have broken out at 47,253. Then I would set a new, so I would raise my stop loss to my entry level once we are hitting this technical target, or I would actually there start to take profits and would take around 50% profits off the table and continue then to trade the rest to the upside. Then something else that I also wanted to show you guys, and that is here on the 4-hourly chart. I wanted to show you a fractal. So, and this is here, this fractal. Now, look clearly on this fractal. I give you 1, 2, 3 seconds to memorize it. So and here have a look, what did we had here? So and now let's go what the price is doing right now. So when you look at both, you'll see they are quite similar. So and what if that what we are seeing here right now happened already all the way back here, and we are repeating the same pattern? In that case, we would continue here to trade here severely to the upside over the next coming weeks. So when we're looking here, yeah, so that would be the next 3 weeks, we would here only go up more or less. So that is something that I'm watching closely right now. If we are here repeating this whole cycle of this fractal all the way where we are right now, so that would mean we would go up like this here, and then obviously also breaking the 60,000. And guys, don't forget, on the daily chart, there's also still that bump and run pattern playing out. So, and it looks like that once we are closing this daily candle here, and the next one opens and pushes to the upside, that this bump and run pattern is here solidifying, and that we are continuing here to go to the upside to our technical target here of $70,695. So I also want to have a quick look here in eGold, and then I will also get into some other coins. So eGold is here surprisingly still moving to the upside. So, and we are getting really close to our Fibonacci golden ratio here, 1.65, 1.618 at $314, $320 approximately. So, and at that level, I would definitely take some profits. Guys, remember, I had told you guys around, I'm not quite sure anymore, I think it was under $200, where I had told you the first time, yeah, here at, I had told you guys here at $160 to get in into eGold, so that you can trade this to the upside. So if you would have listened to me and you would be still in eGold, you would be up here 55%, almost 56%, and that on leverage could be 556 up to 1,120% if you are still trading this year to the upside, and which would be insane. So congratulations to everyone that had followed me here on this trade. Soon, you should be definitely soon taking profits here once we are hitting the 1.618, the golden ratio here. Then on Solana, I was actually wrong with this falling wedge that we are seeing here, as this broke to the downside. So I think, I think what we are seeing here could be more now a downwards trending channel. So for a bull flag, it's already way too advanced here. So, but the good thing is about these downwards trending channels, usually they also tend to break it to the upside at some point. But you should also remember, I had warned you guys that I believe that we will come back here all the way down to $130, and only there we will get a bounce and continue to trade to the upside. So if you want to get here a nice discount on Solana, then buy around $130. That's obviously not financial advice, but me personally, I'm looking at $130 to buy Solana, and then we should see a bounce here to the upside. Yeah, and if you like these trade calls that I give here absolutely for free, also from time to time, obviously here on Twitter, then you can go to the pinned comment below. There you find my affiliation links for Bybit and also for Phemex. Here on Phemex, my trade is still running. I'm here roughly 7% in profit, $3,800, 0.08 Bitcoin, which is really, really nice. So, and yeah, on Phemex, you can get still a 1,200 bonus. On Bybit, it is still a $3,000 bonus. So then let's get you also into Ethereum. So Ethereum is here forming a really, really big W pattern. So at least it looks like that we are forming one here. So and here we should be cautious right now, guys. We should not enter this trade too early. I would wait, exactly like with Bitcoin, until we are breaking above the neckline here. So, and the technical target for this W pattern would be all the way up here at $3,747 if we are breaking here to the upside. Oh, actually it would be higher. Let me adjust that really quick. Yeah, so here 3,753, not a huge difference, but yeah, that would be the technical target. So, but for this to happen, must the next 4-hourly candle push it to the upside, or the candle afterwards, that could be the last one, and over the neckline, test the neckline and then bounce it to the upside, and that's when we are entering this trade. So, and that could give you a really nice almost 10% trade here on leverage. That could be 93% up to 186%, all the way up to the technical target. Then you should also not forget, once we are breaking here out of that green box here at $3,474, that we are entering back into this void where we basically have no resistance all the way up to $3,814. So it could be, once we are breaking here to the upside, that we are retesting here the next resistance level at $3,814 once again. Guys, if you enjoyed this content, then please click the subscribe button and hit also the notification bell. I appreciate really each and single subscriber that I have. Without you, it would be not possible I actually could reach so many people and try to educate them on technical analysis and obviously on crypto. So yeah, I want to once again thank you guys that you're with me. I'm glad that we have such a lovely and amazing community. So, and yeah, we are getting here again to the end of the video. So don't forget, let's destroy the YouTube algorithm, smash up the likes, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. And as usual, guys, I will see you tomorrow.